think one of the most attractive things about a man is a strong sense of national pride. A man has to have morals and values and standards, and Kirk definitely has all three of those. He's the strongest person that I've ever met, both emotionally and physically. He's my rock. He's the reason why I'm here. I don't know where I'd be without him, quite honestly.
Me? I think I'm a pretty normal guy. Love my wife, my country, 401k. Listen to John Shannity on the way to work every morning. Watch Ben Gleck every Thursday evening. Like my meat red and my apple pie warm. Love my job too. There's just something great about shaping and forming the minds of the American teenager who are too often misled by the liberal media.
What did I say about Coach Stone? 12-0, bro. I mean, that's all I gotta say. Took us to state.
I thought you people were good at this.
You wanna know how I feel about Coach Stone? He scares the shit out of me.
Coach Stone, we totally love him. He's like the alpha male type, and he's totally the hottest guy at this school.
Yeah, sometimes we even get in trouble on purpose so we can stay after gym class and do army crawls across the floor.
What are you guys doing? What is this? I'll show you how to punch a man. Jones. Rodriguez.
It's Rodriguez.
Williams.
What's up?
Vanzetti. I've suspected this school's been harboring communist cells all along. I've seen the books that boy reads. I got my eye on him. 86. 87.
Mr. Stone, he's a racist, narrow-minded, Toby Keith loving.
Well, we met at a football match. The Metros, right? That's a football team, right?
No, babe. That's soccer. We met at a Titans game.
I was a recent graduate. I had just moved here from York.
New York.
Right.
That's why I can never understand that dang Yankee accent of yours.
We all know how you feel about accents.
Damn right. Hey, you know why you're losing? It's because you're holding that slanty-eyed chink style. You're never going to be able to beat this American ingenuity that way.
Look, I'm done with this. I'm going to leave now. You're an ignorant, flag-waving bigot, and I'm not going to put up this anymore.
How dare you use the American flag's name in vain like that? I didn't train in the American racquetball Olympic team for 3 years for you to talk like that. I didn't get my degree in health and human resources for you to talk to me that way.
Olympic racquetball team.
Yes?
I've seen you play racquetball. You are awful. I could beat you in racquetball.
Nut up or shut up. I'm about to put a Reagan in your ass.
You gonna lead us to another recession, cowboy?
Don't you talk about the giver like that.
He's a sucking actor.
You are a sucking American. Vanzetti. You think you got me now? 8-7. 10-11. We're gonna end this like we did the Cold War. 14-7. Match point, Vanzetti.
God bless America, my home, sweet home. Turns out Coach Stone had a massive stroke and permanently lost all the feeling of his right arm. I guess a diet of apple pie, steak, and beer for 20 years straight is unhealthy. Who knew? He's fine, though. He's with his wife, and he's got 6 months paid leave from the school, which is such a blessing.
The change has been hard on Kirk. He's had to relearn how to do just about everything. He doesn't take change very well.
But I'd lose my left arm too if it meant defending God's chosen country.
A little soldier.